The most profitable side hustle of this decade is something that less than 0.1% of people are talking about. So listen, if you stick with me to the very end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start this today, all for completely free. This business model is called Software Arbitrage. And before you understand the business, I first need you to understand the model. So let me give you an example. So what if Apple reached out to you to make a deal where you could pretty much sell all of their iPhones or all of their phones without any of their branding on it? The phone still included all the applications, all the tech, all the support. Absolutely nothing about those phones change other than the fact that they don't have any of their branding on them. What would you do if you could go out and take these phones, put your own logo on them and go out and sell them to consumers, sell them to people that need phones, and you can resell these as many times over as you want? So say for example, since my name is Jason, I could call my phone the J phone, or if your name was Adam, you could call yours the A phone. Say for example, you went out and sold these phones to people for 500 euros, and out of that 500 euros, you got to keep 450. This model right here is called white labeling. So now that you understand the model, let's jump straight over to the computer and I'll show you exactly how you can apply this exact same model, but instead of selling J phones, you can sell software to local businesses. So right over on the computer, as you can see, what we're going to be doing is working with local business owners. We're going to be offering them simple websites and automations, and we're going to get paid between 300 and 500 euros or dollars or pounds every single month on a recurring basis from every single one of our clients. This means that if you get one client paying you 500 euros every single month, they're going to continue to pay you month over month. And listen, before I show you exactly how to do this, I have absolutely nothing to sell you. In fact, all of my resources, all of my masterminds, all of my courses and everything are completely free. So if you do want to access all of my completely free resources, simply leave a like in this video, drop a comment down below, and I'll send you over the direct link. Right over on the computer, I have a simple software platform that you're going to be selling to businesses with your own logo on it. And keep in mind that Apple example that I gave you. You pretty much get access to this software and you can go out and sell unlimited licenses of the software to businesses all around you, or even in a different country. You can sell the software to these businesses. This software right here has my very own logo on it, meaning that none of my clients see anything to do with the actual partner company that you're going to be partnering up with to sell the software to them. And in terms of what you're actually going to be offering to these businesses, this software right here has so many different things that you can give to business owners. So as an example, let's head over to Google Maps, and what I'm searching for here is barbers in London, and this applies for any industry in any location. You know, you could search for real estate agents in Miami, Florida. You could search for restaurants in Dublin. You could even search coffee shops in Belfast. Literally any industry in any location in any country around the globe. What you're going to notice right here, the first thing that we actually see right here is this barber right here, Wigmore Barbers. You see the sponsored text right here. That means this exact business right here is running paid advertisements. So what that means is he's actually paying Google to rank #1 as the top barbershop in London City. The next thing we're going to notice right underneath this is some of these barber shops right here. So keep in mind, this barber that's paying for Google ads only has 275 Google reviews, whereas the other ones that are organically ranking higher on Google have, 900 reviews right here, 1100 reviews, 700 reviews. What my point here is, these other business owners that aren't spending thousands of months towards their Google ads are organically ranking higher on Google simply down to the fact that they have way more positive Google reviews. So what exactly I would do with this Wigmore Barbers and Grooming Salon, I would head over to our simple software solution. I would head over to settings, go into integrations, and I would connect up their Google business profile. What this actually means is everything that we see right here on their Google business profile, it connects directly up to our simple software solution. So in this exact case right here, there is two simple things that I would offer to Wigmore Barbers right here. The first one is extremely simple to set up. If we head back over to settings, go to business profile, and we scroll down, we can enable something right here called missed call text back. So all we got to do is click on enable, and we can click on save right here. That's how simple it is to set that up. So all it says is, hi, this is location name, and location name being the actual business profile that you set them up with inside of your simple software solution, which you also get access to for completely free. I saw that we just missed your call. How can I help? So if we head back over to the Google business profile, chances are, because this business right here is running ads, they're probably getting a bunch of website visitors right now. They're probably getting a bunch of calls right now. Now, what actually happens if one of these calls are missed? This business right here is probably getting tens and tens of calls every single day. And you know, nowadays the price of any service out there, whether it's, you know, a haircut or a skin fade or something like that, prices of those are in around 20 to 30 euros, depending on the barbershop you go to. That means if this barbershop right here misses out on 10 potential bookings every single day, that's 300 euros or 300 pounds that he's missing out on every single day. How we can actually solve this, if we enable missed call text back, which we have right here, instead of those people that are in need of a haircut right now today, what they normally do is, if this one right here doesn't pick up, they're just going to go to the very next one down the list. Instead, if we have auto missed call text back enabled for that business, before the person actually even gets a chance to dial that next number, they're instantly going to receive a text message to their mobile phone with this text right here. Just says, hi, this is location name, and location name would be the Wigmore Barbers. I saw that we missed your call, how can I help? This instantly is re-engaging that lead. So instead of them going to the next business down, which is of course one of their direct competitors, they're going to be able to pick up on that conversation and take over from there. Now, the next thing that I would offer this business right here is, keep in mind, I mentioned those reviews on there. So they only have around 300 reviews, whereas the other ones have thousands and, you know, hundreds more reviews than they have. Another very simple feature that we can offer them is something called reputation management. Now, reputation management is personally how I got my first in around 5 to 10 clients with my software arbitrage business. How this actually works is we're able to import this exact web page, which if you do want to sign up to my completely free training, my completely free course down below, you get access to all of this for completely free. You import this from my course, and as you can see, it says you're invited to review, and their business name would be there. You swap out their logo, you swap out the actual colors and everything. If we click either 4 or 5 stars, as you can see, we got this pop-up right here and it says Google or TripAdvisor. What will happen right here is, if we click one of these platforms, it will externally redirect us to their Google page or to their TripAdvisor page. And also, something that's very important to note, you can remove platforms on here. You can add any other platforms. So if you want to add on Yelp or Booking.com, say for example, if you're working with a hotel, then you can do so. They can go ahead then and leave their positive review on their business profile. Now, here is where the magic happens. If, for example, if we click either 1, 2, or 3 stars instead, it takes us to this internal feedback form. Inside of this internal feedback form, this is giving the customer the opportunity to get everything off their chest. They can leave their negative review inside of this message right here. But instead of that message going public on their Google or on their TripAdvisor or on their Yelp page, it's going internally to the business owner, which is of course, that would be the owner of this barbershop right here. This is not only driving a bunch more positive Google reviews to that business, which of course, as you know at this point, organically is going to rank them higher and higher and higher on this Google page. Any of those negative reviews are going completely internal, because the way that Google Maps ranks things, it's not only a bunch of reviews, but it's the more positive and consistent reviews that's coming in. But it's the more positive and consistent reviews that are coming in, Google is only going to promote that business. So if we head back over to our simple diagram right here, we're offering simple websites and automations, and we're getting paid between 300 and 500 euros every single month for this. Now, your average client is going to be paying you between 300 and 500 euros. That's not to say you're going to get some clients that is going to be paying you, 1,000 euros, 1,500 euros, depending on exactly what you're going to be offering them. Now, this exact business model, which is called Software Arbitrage, is responsible for literally all of these students, which you can see on my screen. So, I'm going to scroll through these and show you some of the results right here. As you can see right here, Seth inside of my community, inside of his first month, hit $4,200 consistently every single month. Philip Antonia right here closed a $9,300 deal within his first 6 weeks. That exact client right there actually paid him an entire year upfront for his simple software solution. Daniel right here collected $6,000 inside of his first 2 weeks. Prem right here got his first client on board for £1,000 consistently every single month. There are so many more of these results. As you can see right here, Daniel closed a 90-day deal for $3,000, paid completely upfront. Miguel right here made 600 euros inside of his first weekend. And the best part about this is it's completely beginner friendly. Literally anyone can do this. It doesn't matter where you are. All of these results right here is a mix between a number of different countries. So some of these guys are in Ireland, some are in the UK, some are in the US, and then some of them are all around Europe and Australia and everything. And some of them are also around different countries inside of Europe, and also pretty much all around the globe. So listen, like I said, I have absolutely nothing to sell you. All of my bonuses, all of my courses, all of my masterminds, my scripts and everything, all my templates are completely free. If you do want to learn step by step exactly how you can start this business model today so that you can start getting results just like all of my students right here, like I said, simply drop a like on this video and drop a comment down below. I will send you over that course for completely free. Make sure to drop a sub on my channel and also click on that little bell notification so you don't miss out on any more of these. My name is Jason McElchar. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.